Today I want to show you the special stitch which is in my comfy Canadian Cardi pattern. It's called the crossed big puff stitch. It's quite an easy stitch to make once you get the hang of it, of course, because I've noticed a few people that are having a little bit of a problem making this special stitch. So this is why I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm not going to make a whole back panel, obviously, so I have a little swatch here. I've already done the 4 rows of half double crochet back loop only, which you need in between all the special stitches. But now we're going to make the stitch. Here we go. We go 1, 2, 3 chain stitches and turn. You skip the first 2 stitches and you go and make 2 half double crochets in the next 2 stitches. There you go. Then you yarn over and you stick your hook back in the hole in front of the half double crochets. Pull up, yarn over, stick in, pull up. When you pull up a little bit higher than you're supposed to usually do. That way it's not going to be a real tight little knot. There we go. That's 3 times. You have 7 loops on your hook and you pull through. This is your first one. You skip one and you go make 2 more half double crochets. This is 1. This is 2. Yarn over in the hole behind it. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and pull through all your loops. Skip 1. This is 1. 2 half double crochets, yarn over, stick it in there, pull up, yarn over, stick in, pull up, and for the 3rd time, yarn over, stick in and pull up, yarn over and pull through all your loops. We've made 3. I will meet you at the end of the row. Okay, we get to the end of the row. You've made your 2 half double crochets, yarn over, stick in, pull through, just like you've been doing. Okay, now you have skip 1 and make 2 half double crochets at the end of the row. There you go. Now you chain 3, you turn, you make 2 half double crochets on top of the crossed big puff stitch, like so. There you go. Now you do not go in this hole like you did in row 5, but here in row 6 you yarn over and you stick it in the hole right here under the big stitch of row 5. This is why it's called a crossed big puff stitch. You see, you're going to make 2 half double crochets again on top of the crossed big puff stitch. This is 1, this is 2, there you go. And now you yarn over and you go in the hole underneath it, not right here, but the one right here. So you stick it in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, stick it in and pull through. Again, you have 7 loops on your hook, pull through. Some people say they might even look like little hearts. Here we go. 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochets, and again underneath, crossing the big one. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and pull through all of them. I'll see you at the end of this row. Okay, at the end of row 6, this is your last big puff stitch. 1 half double crochet, the 2nd half double crochet, yarn over, stick it in the hole right underneath it, 3 times, there you go, yarn over and pull through all 7 loops on your hook. Now, these are the 3 chain stitches you made in row 5. You're going to make 2 half double crochets in those 3 chain stitches, like so. This way you have a nice and straight edge right here. For row 7, you chain 1, turn, and you're going to make a half double crochet back loop only on all the stitches of row 7. There you go, just like this. Now, just like the pattern says, you're going to make 4 rows of half double crochet back loop only, and then you get 2 rows of the crossed big puff stitch. So this is row 5 and 6. You do 4 more rows of the half double crochet, the back loop only, and then you're going to make 2 more rows, and so on and so on and so on, till you have your desired length like written in the pattern. I hope this makes sense to you. If you're still experiencing trouble, you can always mail me at the address that I have given to you in my pattern.